Good morning from Waikiki. Today is going to be just a boys trip. Anyways, we're going to check out the Missouri, check out the Arizona Memorial, and check out the USS Bofin. So let's check it out.
Ladies and gentlemen, the National Park Service and the United States Navy welcome you to Pearl Harbor. Please remain seated for the duration of the boat ride and watch your step as you embark and disembark the vessel. At 8:06 a.m., a fatal blow struck the Arizona. The Japanese bomb cut through the deck in the vicinity of gun turret number 2, which would have been about 200 feet to the left of the memorial. Seconds later, it detonated the ammunition magazines located in the forward section of the ship. The result was a massive explosion that tore the ship in half.
What'd you think, Ollie?
Yeah, it's pretty surreal. Yeah.
Pretty crazy, eh?
Just crazy experience.
Here's a bit of a public notice. You're not allowed to bring food in there. I bought a sandwich literally right before going to there, and then I threw away my sandwich. I'm so, yeah, $5. I was not happy. So I'm gonna go buy another sandwich. Yeah. That's right, Chester William Nimitz. And the freeway is named after him. He's speechless. Gonna get yourself a Mo hat? They look pretty cool, man. Hey, how are you? Hi. And here it is, the Missouri. Let's check it out. Maybe we should stand this way. Oh yeah, there it is over there. So what'd you say?
Let's check it out.
The USS Missouri is the last of the 4 Iowa-class battleships to ever be built, and the last American battleship to ever be completed.
Leonard M. Isset, representing the Dominion of New Zealand. Ollie, I have a tale to tell you. The Canadian guy signed his name on the wrong line, so everyone below him had to sign on the line below that, and then the New Zealand guy didn't get a line to sign.
Really?
He just had to write it in. Check it out, it's in there. That's it. So, Ollie and I are here. Man, it's heaps of space there. Right. Well, if you go inside, you're not popping back out for about half an hour. So there's my tip for you. Okay, I think we've probably had enough of the Missouri.